going to be a quick video on edges. I wanted to talk about my edges being natural. I find that it is really hard to get your edges to lay down. I have tried several different products, and this is just to name a few. I just want to kind of put the camera on all these products that I have. And mind you, I'm a product junkie as well as I do hair. So I have tried the Tale Wajid. I know I'm not pronouncing it right. The Lock It Up. I really like this. This is really good for like for your edges. Sometimes they lay it down and make it nice and wet. It don't lay them down for real long. I also tried Karen's Body Beautiful Hold It Hair Gel. I got some of these products also from the company. I got this from the company, and I got my Super Grow hair gel from the company. And I think that's pretty much it. The rest of the stuff I purchased. And I also have the Hicks. You guys, this Hicks does not work for me or none of my clients. When I put it on their edges, it holds down for a little bit. It looks so cute for a little bit. And then all of a sudden, it come right back up just like jam. And I paid like $15 for this. So this don't work either. I also tried, this is the one that I really liked. It was from Walmart. I'm going to attach a video to it. It's called Shaniqua. It's more better to me than Hicks. It's better than jam. It do hold it down, but it stay hold down for a while. But it still eventually does come up. I also have some Ronnie's Lock Solution. This is really good for curly hair. Sometimes you can put it on your locks if you want to. This was something good also. It was a it's called a slick stick. Again, it stayed down for a little bit, but it didn't stay down that much. What I can truly say, what really makes my hair stay down, and this may sound crazy, I can use like the regular Vaseline and then use some water, and I'm telling you, my edges will stay down forever. That's how we used to do when we was young. Another thing that keep my edges down is this Murray's. The Murray's, yes, back in the day, Murray's. This keep your edges down really, really nice, and it keep it down versus coming up all the time. But that was just a quick tidbit about edges, products for edges. I have tried it all, and those pretty much is the only two that I got to be able to work really, really good. But again, Hicks, I didn't like it at all for $15. I was very, very disappointed. But if you have some products that you would like for me to be able to check out that's really good for the edges, let me know. If you will, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care, you guys, and be blessed. Bye, guys. I also forgot to include Eco Styler. I have tried all of them, the argan, the olive oil, all of them. They do work. What I can do is I can be able to put it on my hair, put some water on it, and then kind of like put like one of those scarves around it, kind of let it sit overnight, or just kind of maybe for about 30 minutes, and it does make my ponytail look really nice and slick. But one product I forgot to say, you guys, that I truly, truly love, it's the Kinky Curly Knot Today, the detangler. That makes my hair really, and my edges do real good also. It kind of somehow makes it unkinkier, makes it straighter texture. I really like that product. But again, just wanted to tell you about those two products. I have tried everything under the sun, Ampro Gel, all kind of stuff. Again, I still have not got that product that I'm just loving, 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 that keeps my edges down. Again, if you have any products to let me know about, I would love for you to tell me, because the Eco Styler, it's very rare I put gel in my hair anyway, but if I do, like over time, it seemed like it kind of started getting cakey and get like some black rubbery. I didn't like the way it made my hair feel. But anyway, take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later, okay? Bye.